Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Travel Tech. So this is the VIOFO A329 dual starvis 2 camera, arguably the world's best dash camera, and by some chance, by some level of luck, I got to try out this camera in zero visibility conditions. And if you want to know how this camera performed, well, take a look. So I was driving my car at night, and what initially seemed like just a regular drive, what you do every day, well, things took a different turn within a matter of few seconds. As you're seeing on the screen right now, I started to encounter these areas of mists. Well, what initially seemed like would go away actually started to increase, and the road became completely blocked out with a mist. There was absolute zero visibility. So in this specific section of the mist which I encountered, you can see on the screen, I could clearly make out the headlight beams like trying to penetrate the mist, trying to penetrate the fog. But in spite of the headlights' best efforts, the visibility was actually very much zero. I mean, only because the dash cam has a different way of processing the video, you are actually able to see the road. But to my naked eye, there was near zero visibility. I could only see the closest portion of the road, especially the left border of the road. And that was kind of the only guiding line for me, the only guiding sight for me in these particular difficult conditions. Of course, the street lights and probably some other vehicles which I encountered on the way, their headlights did kind of sort of provide me a guiding way towards driving in the proper direction. But these zero visibility conditions and the use of this dash camera in these particular conditions, as you're seeing right now, did really help me a lot, because I was able to see on the screen of the dash camera what actually is the kind of the road, or where actually is the road heading to. So I could use both ways, my direct naked eye observation and the screen of the dash camera, to guide me towards driving in a proper direction, because in such heavy fog, heavy mist conditions, it becomes near impossible to drive, especially during night time. And luckily my headlights aren't very white, so they are like kind of yellow white, so they could penetrate the fog slightly better when you compare it with most other headlights which are like completely whitewashed. So the VIOFO A329 did provide me a lot of help in these conditions, and considering this is a 4K HDR footage, it recorded some of the finest footages I have seen of night driving under mist conditions, under zero visibility conditions. So you can see the other vehicles also using blinking lights in order to make sure that the other vehicles recognize them. So this was very difficult, this was a very challenging condition, but a very interesting condition to drive in. So if you do encounter such situations, make sure you drive very slowly, make sure you put on your hazard light, and make sure you have installed a dash camera that is capable enough to give you clear video footages, clear video quality, even on the display and even in the recorded videos. So I'm quite sure that no matter what you throw at this dash camera, no matter what kind of weather conditions, the VIOFO A329 will definitely provide you the best possible video quality you could get in current times. And if you're interested in purchasing this dash camera, of course I do recommend this strongly for anyone who is looking for the best possible camera out there. Go ahead, just click down on the description, you'll find the purchase link right there. If you do have any queries or doubts regarding this, you can always write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. That being said, if you too face such similar situations, zero visibility situations, fog or mist situations, make sure you drive carefully, you drive safely, drive under speed limits, wear your seat belts, put on your headlights, put on your hazard lights, and make sure you have the best possible dash camera, so that you have the recording, so that you have the video evidence of every driving activity that is happening in and around you. That being said, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. Also, don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also, if you are interested in winning some dash cams for yourself for free, go ahead, join as members of Travel Tech channel and stand a chance to win a dash camera every single month in 2025. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.